Neck technique to help with neck pain, headaches, and brain fog. Did you know that millions of people around the world suffer from neck problems? Whether it's from bad posture, hours of texting, or just the way we sleep, neck pain is incredibly common and can seriously impact your quality of life. But don't worry, today I'm going to show you some simple and effective techniques to relieve that neck pain and get you back to feeling your best. Let's start by understanding why our neck is so important. It's not just about holding up our heads. Our spine runs through the neck, connecting the brain to the rest of our body. Messages from the brain travel down the spine and out through nerves that control everything we do. If the neck isn't functioning well, you can experience a range of symptoms: headaches, shoulder pain, tingling in the arms, even vertigo or ringing in the ears. So what can we do to help our neck? Narrator. One of the key muscles in our neck is the sternocleidomastoid, or SCM for short. This muscle can cause a lot of problems when it's tight or overworked. Narrator. To locate the SCM, turn your head to one side and you'll see it stand out. This muscle connects to the base of the skull and runs down to the collarbone. When it's tight, it can refer pain to other areas, making it hard to turn your head and causing numbness or tingling down your arms. Let's start by massaging the SCM. Use the knife edge of your hand and gently cross-fiber the muscle, moving perpendicular to its length. This can be sore, but it's effective. If your skin is dry, use a bit of lotion or oil to help. Simply go across the muscle, feeling for tight spots. This tells your brain to release tension in that muscle. For deeper work, you can use household tools like the side of a spoon or a fork. Just make sure they have a wide, rounded edge. Apply gentle pressure and move across the muscle fibers. This is muscle relaxation. Next, let's use a technique called PNF, proprioceptive neuromuscular facilitation. It's a fancy term, but it's simple to do. Text on screen. Step 3, PNF stretching. Narrator. Place your hand on your head and gently resist as you push your head against your hand for 5 seconds. Then relax and stretch the muscle a bit further. Repeat this a few times. This technique tricks your brain into allowing the muscle to stretch more. Now combine the massage and PNF stretching for maximum effect. Massage the SCM while stretching your neck to the opposite side. This dual action releases tension more effectively. Step 4. Stretch the back of the neck. Don't forget the muscles at the back of your neck. These muscles often get tight from looking down at phones or computers. Do a simple chin tuck, bringing your head back over your shoulders, then gently stretch by nodding your head forward. To really open up the back of your neck, try this. Tuck your chin and gently pull your head down with your hands. You should feel a nice stretch in the upper trapezius. Final tips. Remember, consistency is key. Spend a few minutes each day on these techniques to see the best results. If you suffer from chronic conditions like tinnitus, vertigo, or frequent headaches, these simple practices can make a huge difference. You can find a practitioner who can help you. I hope you found these tips helpful. If you know someone who could benefit from this, please share this video with them. Leave your comments below. I'd love to hear how these techniques worked for you. And most importantly, take care of yourself and have a great day.